Welcome everyone to another video from Bob's Cars on the Vectra GSI and the Z32 engine that will be going in eventually. In this video I'm hoping to get this completed, buttoned up so it's airtight so we don't get no more rust, and then we can start doing some stuff onto the car, which I know some of you are wanting to see. If you're new to the channel, if you could subscribe, I'd appreciate it. So I've done some work on this which I haven't really recorded. I did get a little bit. Crank bolt wouldn't come out, so that's on a previous video. I have got a little bit of video on taking that out at a friend's. The right nightmare. I'll put that in now. Smoky Joe. And then I've also done some more work that I've not really recorded because it was too dark. I decided to do it after work and it was pitch black. So what I've done on that is it's got new piston, new main bearings I've already fitted in. I've honed out the cylinders ready for when I put the pistons back in, because we've got some new piston rings to go on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to gap the piston rings. I'm not going to bore you with that. I'll put you on time lapse. So we're going to do that, and then hopefully we can get the heads on and get the sump put back on, and then it'll be airtight, and then we're not going to have no issues with rust. And that's the main thing with the engine at the moment. I'm worried about rust while it's in storage. So we're going to, in today's video, we're going to get this hopefully put back together, make it airtight, and then in the next videos we can do some stuff on the actual car itself. So yeah, let's get this started. So just showing you quickly what I've done. These have been all honed out. Not the best. Put this back on, sealed it all up, so makes that nice and airtight. Right, let's get these piston rings sorted. Okay, so that's finally piston number 1 done. Anyway, it's taking longer than expected, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly through these and come back to you once I'm done. Welcome back everyone. So we're on the next day because my piston ring tool wasn't doing its job correctly, so I've had to faff about. Wasn't very good, so it took me hours upon hours to get these pistons back in because of the tool. So I've not recorded it, unfortunately. So what we're going to do now is we are going to put the heads on with a new head gasket, and get that all tightened up, and then hopefully, yeah, got the sump to put on as well. So we're going to do that, and then that should be me fully sealed up. I've blocked this off already, so there's no air can get in there. Just need to remember to unblock it before I put it back in the car. Same as what I've done here, look. Blocked it off so no air can get in. Yeah, so I just need to put our gaskets on, new heads, tighten it all down, and then we should be good for storage until we're ready to put it in the car. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, so there we go. New heads on. New water pump. I've not put the oil pump back on yet, because I need a new bolt for here. The oil pump needs to clean up, or I'll buy a new one. Going to have a look and see how much I can get a new one for. But this is where we're at the moment. All this side here is still a bit rusty, but as previously stated on my last video, I've got something called crust. So when the paint comes that I've ordered for the block, I'm going to put some crust on, leave it for however long it says for me to leave it for, then I'm going to paint it afterwards. So that's that. I think what we've got left to do now is, just bear with me, it's a bit hard to do this one-handed. Over we go. Right, this is all torqued up to spec. So I think what I'm going to do now is just finish off, put the baffle on. I've got the pickup to put on. Oh, I can't put the pickup on because I need the oil pump on for that. Okay. In that case then, I think we're as far as I can go till I decide what I'm doing with the oil pump. So, okay, looks like I'm going to have to leave it here. Wasn't expecting that. So, sorry for the sniffling, guys, but it's a bit cold out here, as you can probably see. Okay, so I'm going to cut this video here. Hope you liked what's happened so far. And I think on the next video, we're going to be starting on the car, stripping it down, ready for the new engine to go in. So for those that are new, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. If you like the content, would you mind pressing the like button? It helps promote the channel. And comment if you've got any advice for me. I'd appreciate it very much. And I will see you in the next one.